What's up, everybody? Welcome to Moto. It's been a cold winter and I haven't been able to do much work. So today, hopefully, we can get some work done and get the clip-ons test fit. Check it out. Alright, so before we start, let's kind of review where we were at. So last video I made, I had the carburetors put back on and the bike actually started up again. Had some issues with the fuses over here. As you can see, this one's still kind of in this terrible state, which that'll be replaced. I'm not worried about. And today we're going to focus on getting these guys off. So this entire handlebar setup, and putting in the clip-ons. We'll see how much of this I can actually fit back on them, just to kind of like test fit and see how it will look. And yeah, what we're going to try is, initially we're going to try to put the clip-ons back onto here. If that doesn't suit the stance that I like, I will probably pull up the front so that I can slide the forks back out, so I can put the clip-ons down here and then adjust for where they will sit. So here we go. In terms of the clip-ons themselves, they're just your regular Chinese stuff. I got ones with a slight raise on them, so that should give us a pretty good look and feel and allow us to adjust for just the right amount of height. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so first we're going to start by trying to undo this bit, which holds the clutch reservoir, the choke, it seems. So it's just held by two Allen keys. Before you can remove any of this stuff, it's a good idea to remove the safety snap rings from here. They look like that. Pretty easy to remove if you have the right tool. If you don't, it's a struggle and a half. But yeah. Alright, so I took the handlebar off. I might need to play around a little bit more with the hand grip to get it off, so I can take the rest of the stuff off. That's kind of what it looks like right now. Now, I did test fit this, so if I just toss this guy on here, let's say that would be the position it would sit in. That to me seems like too high, so I think what I'll do is I'm going to take the gauge cluster off, just to get a better look for it, and then try to fit it further down and see how that goes. Alright, right now I've unplugged most of the cables, so this looks like it should be ready to go, but we'll see. Alright, got the gauge cluster off. Had to unplug some more cables under the tank in order to get it off. So that's what it's kind of looking like. We got like a nice clean view up from top. So here we go. We got this. Goes on here. It could be like that, but that just seems way too tall. I mean, the bike is currently jacked up from the back, so the back looks even higher than it is. But yeah, I think this would be too tall. So if we were to look from the top, like this would be the riding position. You can see the difference between this position and the other handlebar. So we're gonna try to move this thing down here just to get that more leaned over look. See how that feels, maybe here, and go from there, because this just seems way too high. Yeah, so I don't think it'll be that great of a stance. We're gonna try to put them further down and see how that goes. Alright, so I got the clip-ons on. I moved the controls back on there. I think I'm pretty happy with this position. They are just the right height, it seems. The bike has the right stance. We'll just need to get a light, some gauge clusters, and yeah, so the bike is looking good. If we take a look from this side, it's actually starting to have that cafe racer stance, and I'm actually kind of liking the little fender at the back, so I might actually keep that and not chop off the frame. I might just build a little cowl for it and have a seat that fits between the cowl and the tank. In terms of how it fits, let's see if I can get a view of this. So really the riding position would be it's pretty comfortable like this. I mean, not too bad. The seat will probably raise it a little bit more, which makes that pretty comfortable to ride. It feels almost like a Ninja 300 in terms of stance. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think that would be it. Alright guys, so that was it for this episode. We got the clip-ons on. I'm pretty happy with the result. Next, I will probably start doing the electrical. So taking a look at rewiring the entire bike. I will probably be getting a new electronics module in there. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notifications when new videos become available. Also check me out on Instagram at BakuMoto2018, and check out the articles www.bakumoto.com that accompany each of these videos with more details, more pictures, and more of what actually happened to the whole thing. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.